How to fix Amazon account on hold. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device or open any browser. Then search Amazon.com. You will find this kind of screen pop up, which is the login option. At the bottom, click on Need Help. After you've clicked on Need Help, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on a topic. Click on Please make a selection. In there, click on My account is on hold, which is the fourth option. Then, as you can see, there is no option. Sorry that you're having trouble accessing your Amazon account. Your account can be put on hold for added security when an unusual payment activity is observed. To restore access, sign into your Amazon account and complete the form, including necessary attachments. If you have already filled the form, please wait for 24 hours for further updates. If you need more help, you can contact them directly using the number given below. As you can see, if outside US, there is number Canada, and this is how to fix Amazon account on hold problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.